Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mercedes C-Class service light. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to position 2, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the R button on your instrument cluster and press it 3 times quickly. You should then see the service menu appear on your display, indicating you're on the right track. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset options. Once the service menu is visible, use the steering wheel buttons to navigate. Look for and select the Service Data option. After highlighting it, press the OK button on your steering wheel to confirm your choice. Now, scroll through the subsequent options until you find Full Service. This is the specific menu item we need to access to proceed with the reset. With Full Service selected, you'll then see an option to confirm full service. Select this, and the system will ask you to confirm the reset. Choose Yes to proceed with resetting the service interval. Finally, turn off your ignition completely. This action saves the new service settings, and your service light should now be off. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. After restarting your engine, double-check that the service light is no longer illuminated. If it is, you've successfully reset it. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Mercedes running smoothly and preventing future service light warnings. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is perfect for reading anywhere, please look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.